Yes. Hello, my dear friends. You are welcome again to my YouTube channel. Be mindful. Yes. Be mindful. I don't know how to be mindful. It's not my topic today. I don't have any topic. Let me show you what I am doing and why I am doing and 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 so on. There are lots of things happen here every time in this world with us, for nature. I'm making chapati and I don't know what I'm going to speak and what you will learn from my video. I know you don't learn anything because I don't teach anything. I just speak English to practice myself, to improve, to develop my English communication skills. Yeah. So let me show you. I have kneaded the flour like this. Let me just keep this here. I needed this one. This one is needed by my wife. This is dry flour. This is roller pin, and this is, I don't know what it's called, tawa. I'm going to make chapatis, soft chapatis. Sometimes soft or sometimes bit hard, little bit hard, because I don't know how to make proper. Because uh, it's been long time, at least 1 year, cooking me, because my wife health is not good. She's not healthy. She has some problems, health issues she is having these days since last 1 year. You heard right. It doesn't matter. It's part of life. Let's start. Let me just keep this. Yes. There is light over there, but I don't know how to. Let me just switch out this. Is there anything, or should I keep this over here? Yes, that's good. That's good. You have to just see my face, not my doing. I could show you what I'm doing, but I don't think so. It's possible. Oh my god, it might fall. Arey bhaiya, my dear friend, just have some mercy on me, and you also doing some. I just take it off. It was hanging over there, and it was spreading, falling. It's said on my face. Now I start, but I think how. What you will see, what I will show you, I don't know. I have to just speak English. Sometime I will show you how I can make chapati. This is the roll dough, not roll. I'm going to roll it now. You can see my, what it is called, biceps. It is called biceps. Okay, now it's time to roll more and more, and just do it like this. Oh shit, I'm not going to tell you how to cook, how to make breads. No, I'm here to tell you something else. I went yesterday to, oh my god, it चिपक गई यार. It is stuck. See? Can you see? Yes. Together, no problem. I went there yesterday. Where? Lotus Temple. I enjoyed over there. Made, I think, 1, 2, 3 videos, because I have 3, 4, 5, 6 YouTube channels. Yes, I have 6 YouTube channels. Some people means who have subscribed my channel, they don't want to watch my videos because they don't get anything from my videos. And really, I also think that there is nothing in my videos. So why people would love to watch my videos? It's not my concern. My concern is how to improve my English. I love this. These days I'm not reading any book, I'm not practicing of any reading. And if you want to increase, develop, improve your knowledge, you must have to read books, good books, full of knowledge. Otherwise, we can't get uh, knowledge, because there is nothing in our mind. Then how we will speak English? Not only English, about any topic. If we don't have anything in our mind, we cannot speak that. So to increase, to improve, to fill our mind with best knowledge, unique knowledge, we will have to read books, or we will have to watch YouTube channels, YouTube videos, good YouTube videos, so that we can improve ourselves. Are fool ja, just puff up. Are my dear, it doesn't matter. See, live life. Don't think how to live. Just live. One more. Two. I have cooked two. Sorry, made. Earlier I didn't know about cooking related word meanings, sentences, but now by practicing I learned this. That's why I shoot my videos. Let me show you. Now this is being cooked. Yes. And I will show you. I want to make my mind like I can speak about anything, anytime, so that people love my English, watch my videos, so that I can teach them something, little bit, as I learn from somewhere, as I watch someone's video, I really feel good, and I always feel to shoot my own video. It doesn't matter what I'm going to speak in that. I am sweating because it's summer season, and the date is today 31 July. और आप कह सकते हैं, you can speak 31st of July. And my mom made chapati protein in village when I was a teenager, around 10 or 15 years of old. I must show you these things, that how to cook. अरे मैं तो ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ. I can do this like this, but it's already, I think, 7 to 8 minutes video. Most of the people has already gone. I think, perhaps, because when I watch my videos, watch time, it is not more than 3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes. Let me just flip this. This chapati should not be like this, but sometimes it happens. If the chapati is hard while baking it, it will be more hard. I think I did not keep the camera, also in my mobile, in right direction towards my face. I have to just slouch like this before, like this, on this. Oh my god, this is not good. This did not puff. Let me just adjust my, yes, this one. So what I was saying, and I'm saying, there are people, they always afraid of speaking English, because at the same time when we have to deliver our sentence, our thoughts, we are not able to deliver that exact time because of lack of practice of what? Practice of speaking. You have to puff up this time, okay my dear, otherwise it will be not good. Can I show you how to? Yes, let me just do this like here. You will think what I am doing. It's not a way of shooting video. But I don't think so, man. Yeah, don't panic. ऐसे ही करते हैं, ऐसे, और इसको ऐसे उठाया और ऐसे डाल दिया, और फिर इस रोटी बनाने के चक्कर में गड़बड़ ना हो जाए कुछ. देखो भैया, इट्स बीइंग पफ्ड. अरे हो जा. ओह माय गॉड, ये भैया तुम्हारे चक्कर में जल गई. इट्स गॉट बर्न्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस. लेट मी जस्ट, अरे भैया, ओ भैया कैमरे. यस. See, if I am alone, I don't waste my time. I'm cooking. I'm making chapatis. Why I always learn this cooking? But we can use. Doesn't matter. I never miss my time. Never. I always utilize my time. Each and every moment I want to utilize. If I am alone, doing nothing, I just either watch English movies on Apple TV, or I just watch some YouTube English videos, and either I read books. Reading is good. Learning is good. Something every day, because without that there is nothing. Okay, it's been, I think, lots of time. I need to switch off. Sorry. Stop this video, end this video. Need to make another video for another channel. Let me show you one more thing. See how many minutes I have made. You guys are here. I just utilized this time. It's good. I spoke something. It gained my confidence that I can speak. Yes, it's not that I didn't use fancy words, good structured sentences, but I spoke something. It will take me towards the next level. Bye friends. You understood everything. You watched everything. See you in next video. Till then, eat good food.